Hey everybody, Phil Kernew here, and quickly in this video I wanted to talk to you about the awesome mastermind that we're having on Wednesday, March 27th at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It is going to be completely just no pitch, completely working to show you some of the tips that my partner and I are using to mine and actually have a lot of success for our clients using some of these strategies. We've done over 60 million in online and offline clients sales, so this will definitely work for you. We've done a lot of proof of concept. These are working. I'm using these strategies right now. If you're looking to see how to use LinkedIn, this is we're going to give away one of our tips, and this is a huge tip, guys, that we're using right now to mine and make LinkedIn a lead generating magnet. We're also going to be talking about some of our Facebook marketing strategies, how we're getting leads for less than for a penny or so. Some of the things that we're doing other marketers aren't doing, other people that are looking to generate leads aren't doing. We're also going to talk about some other high-touch customer strategies, and it's going to be crazy. You're going to learn so much value. This is no pitch. We're going to sit there, just get in front of your face, show you some of the things that we're doing. Not only will we go ahead and discuss some of these three strategies, we're also going to go ahead and call out different people in the audience that have questions. So if you have some technical questions, or you're just stuck and you're not sure if the strategy is working, this is a great opportunity to sit there and actually talk with us as we work through people in the audience who are attending the webinar who have questions about their marketing, about their lead generating strategies online, whether it be your website, SEO, email marketing, social media. We're going to sit here and discuss with you what exactly you need to help make your success online possible. And as a special bonus, not just for signing up for this webinar, after you get your confirmation, send me a copy, a forward of it, and I will give you 30 minutes to talk about anything that you need, whether it's SEO, whether it's your email marketing, whether it's videos, whether it's your social media presence, your website design, whatever your heart's desire is, some content. I usually do this for about $497 for 30 minutes. So this is a great way just to link up with me and see how I can help you. Also, if you do send me the forwarded confirmation, I'm actually getting ready to release a training program. Several training programs actually. So I will go ahead and give you access to one of my social media training programs. So go ahead, sign up below for this webinar. It will knock your socks off. Wednesday, March 27th, 2013 at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Learns 3 lead generating strategies that we're using, and I look forward to speaking with you and seeing you Wednesday night. So go ahead, sign up, forward me that email, and let's get in touch. Thanks. Bye.